Repairing and paving roads is a hot topic and a priority for most cities around the county. Last year, Panama City City Commissioners hired a paving company to treat the recently paved roads. News 13's Alex Thorson tells us how this week's treatments will extend the lives of the roads, saving taxpayers money.
Imagine you buy a new car.
You need to get it in for a service. You're going to change the oil in the car.
Changing the oil in your car every so often helps extend its life. It's the same with roads. So last year,
we went to the commission last spring.
The Panama City Commission hired Pavement Technology to rejuvenate 8 miles worth of Panama City roads. It costs $160,000.
We've got a limited budget to do that, and we're trying to make those dollars go as far as they will.
Data suggests that the price of asphalt, the material used to resurface roads, has more than doubled within the last 20 years.
We can't afford to keep resurfacing streets as our only maintenance.
Paving doesn't only cost money, but is also an inconvenience for traffic flow.
They can get in, get out, and stay out of the residents' way.
The process is a first for Panama City, but it's not new to other areas.
More and more people are doing this. If you look at cities and counties, they're trying to preserve and extend the lives of their roadways.
Here's how it works.
What we're doing is actually putting a material down that's going to help preserve the road. It softens the binder and extends the life of the pavement.
Roads paved in 2013 to 2016 are given 5 more years of life. In Panama City, Alex Thorson, News 13.
Roads paved before 2013 will get the touch-ups after they're paved, and those resurfaced after 2016 will get the treatment in future years. For more information, head to mypanhandle.com.